Tua. Did not get a Tua. Alrighty, looks like we're a couple minutes past schedule. Let's go ahead and get started with our 2019-2020 Upper Deck SPX Hockey Random Player One Box Break number one. Just like with all of our random player breaks, we'll list everybody in random.org in the order of which they purchased their spots. We'll randomize that list 5 times and then match that up against an alphabetical player list from the product. Good luck, everybody. Once, twice, 3 times, 4, and lucky number 5. We've got Fred in the top spot and Joe 39, 38, 13, 93 in the bottom spot. So again, I'll just cut and paste this over to the right and sort by everybody's eBay IDs and names. We'll just blow up our list a little bit here, make it a little easier to read. Dusty, I think if you look at finished results on eBay, that's probably the truest indicator of what any particular card is worth. Yeah, I wouldn't necessarily look at Beckett. I think the finished results on eBay are probably a real good indicator. I wouldn't necessarily look at what's listed as being offered, but what's actually sold. It's a little bit truer indicator of what things are worth. Do you look on eBay on your computer or on your phone, Dusty? Alrighty. Now that we've been through our list, let's open our box and see what we get. So we've got 4 packs. I think there's a card in each pack, if I'm not mistaken. An autograph, a memorabilia card, a technology card, and then I think the 4th pack is potluck, if I'm not mistaken. Should be really nice. This is a nice product. Goes back 24 years to 1996. Little flyer there for Stature. I think we've already opened Stature. So there are our packs, 4 packs. All right. Good luck, everybody. And, whoa, that is something. Our first card, Rookie Obsidian Barrett Hayton. My goodness, that's a gorgeous card. Rookie Black Obsidian. Barrett Hayton jersey. I'm trying to show this as nice as I can on the camera. This by far is the nicest manufactured card that we've seen this evening and probably will see this evening. That is crazy. I'm going to sleeve it, and then I want to show you all something real quick too while we're... So you can see it's got a black layer in the center, and then I think the back layer is probably standard cardstock, but then on the top layer it's a thin layer of acetate, but it looks fantastic. No, this isn't the last one. We've still got the Donruss hanger boxes, Woody. That's the last one. This is next to last. That looks fantastic, though. Beautiful card. I don't even know who that player is, honestly. That's a fantastic card. In our next pack, we have a rookie autograph, Tobias Bjornfot, or Bjornfot, and that's serial numbered 152 of 299. SPX rookie autograph. So if you go in the upper right hand corner, Dusty, when you search, like just type in anything in the main search, you can filter, and you can filter if you scroll down to your list of filter options. When you get to the bottom, it says more options. Click on that and scroll down a little bit, and you'll have 2 options that say completed items and sold items. Click on both of those radio buttons, and that will give you the items that have actually sold. And then once you do that and you go back to the main screen, if you click on that little filter icon that's right beside it, or the sort icon, I should say, beside the filter icon, you can sort newest to oldest. Then that will give you the most up-to-date, basically real-time sales information. That's how I do it. If I want to know what something's worth, that's, because obviously with all the inserts and all the different variations and stuff that are out today, it's darn near impossible to keep track of that. So that's how I do it if I want to find out what something's selling for. All right, pack number 3. And we have a Matt Dumba Superscripts autograph. Now, this isn't the last one, Woody. We've got our Donruss hanger boxes next. Let me sleeve this. Last pack. We have a Noah Dobson SPX rookie, serial numbered 59 of 199. $59 of $199. Alrighty. And we have these huge CDCs. One of them's got a crazy indentation in it. So let's go through our list and see who got which cards. If I can find the right screen. So our Noah Dobson rookie goes to Junior 5156-9. Congrats on that. And then our Superscript Matt Dumba autograph goes to Joe 39381393. Congrats on that. And then our Tobias Bjornfoot rookie autograph, serial numbered 152 out of 299. And that goes to Tim's Collectible Cards. Congratulations on that. And then our Barrett Hayton Black Obsidian rookie jersey. And that goes to... That also goes to Junior 5156-9. Congratulations on that. Doubling up. Take another look at that Black Obsidian rookie jersey. Pretty snazzy. That would be the technology card of the box. Alrighty. Well, that concludes our 2019-2020 Upper Deck SPX Hockey Random Player One Box Break number 1. Thanks again to everybody that bought spots in the break. As always, we appreciate you all supporting our breaks the way you do. Thanks to everybody that joined us in the chat for the break. And we'll be back in a couple minutes with our Donruss football break. Thanks again, everybody. You just might, Matoga. You never know.